So, good day everyone. In this video, we're going to tackle the permutation groups. Permutation groups are groups fundamental concept in abstract algebra, particularly in the study of groups theory. They provide a structure framework for analyzing and understanding the symmetries and transformation of mathematical object objects. Let's delve into each topic under permutation groups and explore their significance. Number 1. Transforming transforming permutation from array form to cycle form and vice versa. Permutation can be represented in two main forms, array form and a cycle form. In array form, a permutation is depicted as a sequence of elements shuffled or rearranged. For example, the permutation 1, 3, and 2 means that element 1 is mapped to 3 and 3 is mapped to 2 and 2 is mapped to back to 1. In cycle form, permutations are represented as cycles, where each cycle indicates how elements move within a subset. For instance, 1, 3, and 2 represent a cycle when 1 maps to 3 and 3 maps to 1, 2, and 2 maps back to 1. To transform permutation from array form to cycle form, we can start by identifying each cycle by tracing the movement of elements. Conversely, to convert from cycle form to array form, we can expand its each cycle into its corresponding sequence of elements. Number 2. Expressing permutation as a product of disjoints, cycle or products of transposition. Permutation can be expressed as product of disjoint cycle or product of transposition, which are interchanges of elements. The product of disjoint cycles represent a permutation as a composition of non-intersecting cycles. For example, 1 and 3 and 2 and a pair of 1 and 3 and a pair of 2 and 4 represent a permutation where 1 maps to 3 and 3 maps to 1, 2 maps to 4, and 4 maps to 1. On the other hand, permutation can also be represented as a product of transposition, which are pairwise swaps of elements. For an instance, a pair of 1 and 2 and a pair of 1 and 3 and a pair of 1 and 4 represents a permutation where 1 is swapped with 2, then 1 is swapped with 3, and finally 1 is swapped with 4. Determining the order inverse and a product of permutations. Order of permutations. The order of permutation is a smallest positive integer k such that raising the permutation to the power of k returns the identity permutations. It can be computed by finding the least common multiple or LCM of a cycle lengths. Inverse of permutations. The inverse of permutation undoes its effects, resulting in the identity permutations. In a cycle notation, the inverse of a cycle is obtained by reversing the direction of each cycle. Product of permutations. The product of permutation is obtained by composing them where the second permutation is applied first, followed by the first permutation. In cycle notation, this involves combining the cycles of both permutation into a single permutation. Number 4. Writing solution and proof to problems involving permutation groups. Solution and proofs involving permutation groups are often revolves around the understanding rule, the properties and behaviors of permutation. such as analyzing the structure of permutations using cycle notation, applying properties like the product of disjoint cycles or the order of permutation to simplify computation, proving properties such as the commutativity of disjoint cycle or the existence of inverse in permutation groups, solving problems related to symmetry groups, actions, or combinatorial arrangements using permutation groups theory. In summary, permutation groups offer a powerful framework for studying symmetries and transformation in mathematics. By understanding their properties and techniques for manipulation, we can tackle a wide range of problems across various mathematical domains.